Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. Let me ask a question. Have you applied for multiple jobs but did not get any job, or got a job but with a very low package? If yes, then do you know why? The answer is you need to learn those skills which companies are looking for. So the question is, which skill should you learn, or which is the most demanding skill? The answer is data science. Data science is one of the most demanding skills. Data science has a good future with multiple job opportunities that are increasing with time, and a handsome salary which is much more than the average salary of other professionals. And according to the industry expert, 11.5 million data science jobs will be created globally by 2026. So in simple word, data science has a good future. Therefore, now is the right time to upskill in data science. So the question is, from where you can learn data science with placement assistance? The answer is OdinSchool. You can join OdinSchool Data Science Bootcamp because OdinSchool Data Science Bootcamp is the only program where you will not only learn data science but also you will get placement assistance. Here you can see some success stories of some candidates who got placed in top companies after joining OdinSchool Data Science Bootcamp. So there are so many candidates here. For example, you can see Akshay. He got promoted to Power BI developer from senior system engineer, right? You can see. So there are too many candidates. You can see there are a lot of candidates who got placed in top companies, and important thing to note is that all the candidates got high packages because OdinSchool negotiates on behalf of the candidates for their salary packages, so you don't have to worry about this salary package, right? So now let's discuss about the fee structure. So for this data science bootcamp, fee is 99,000 rupees plus GST, but don't worry, there is a scholarship up to 30,000 rupees, and also you can get early bird offer up to 10,000 rupees off, but this is limited to only 100 candidates, first 100 candidates. So hurry up, right? So let's summarize. So bootcamp fees 99,000 rupees plus GST, and if you get both, then 30,000 rupees scholarship that we can exclude, and 10,000 rupees that also we can exclude. Then you need to pay only 59,000 rupees plus GST. And if you think you can't pay all this amount in one go, don't worry, there is no cost EMI option is there, which starts at 5,506 rupees per month. And if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within first 10 days, your fee will be fully refunded. So don't worry, right? You have option. And upcoming cohort is starting from 26th August 2023, and next cohort is starting from 30th September 2023. Right? So hurry up. Registration link is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment. So now let's discuss about the curriculum. So for this bootcamp, first let's discuss about the core curriculum. So in the core curriculum, topics covered will be SQL, Python, statistics, EDA, machine learning, business intelligence, storytelling, GitHub, and you will learn these tools and technologies, right? And these are the projects you will complete, right? So what are the projects? Credit card approval, COVID-19 prediction, health insurance prediction, bank team deposit, right? California housing price prediction, customer churn rate prediction. These are the projects you will complete during this bootcamp course. And after that, electives and others. In electives you will learn Power BI, PySpark. In others you will learn NLP, ETL, Azure, Advanced Excel, Azure Data Factory, Power BI Advanced, and these are the tools and technologies you will learn, right? Yeah. So what you will get in this bootcamp? So you will get live instructor-led bootcamp, right? After that, job readiness in 6 months, project-based learnings, unlimited job opportunities. And you can see there are more than 500 companies which are hiring partner of this OdinSchool, so you don't have to worry about the placement. So what you have to do, simple, you need to fill these details and you need to click a request a callback. So registration link is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment, so please check it out. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.